If you're facing this error code 102 on Steam, which says unable to connect to the server may be offline, or you may not be connected to the internet. So in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So listen very carefully. How to fix Steam error code 102, which is here as you can see it. The first step is try to restart the Steam app and your network. So to restart Steam app is very easy. Just click this arrow key here, which is to reveal hidden icons, and then just look for the Steam app, right click and select exit Steam. So just right click and select exit Steam. This will allow you to cancel Steam, and then you can reopen it here. Also, may need to restart your Wi-Fi connection. After restarting your Wi-Fi connection, you can try to launch the Steam app to see if it's working. If you're still facing the same problem, error code 102, even after restarting the Steam app and your network, then you can try to switch to a browser. So if you're facing this issue on the Steam app, you can try to switch to your browser. So if maybe you don't want to use a browser, or in any way maybe you still face the same problem on a browser, then use public DNS. So Steam may be blocked on your country, or maybe your ISP may have blocked the Steam. As you can see, a lot of people are facing this issue when Steam have been blocked on some of the countries. So you can use a public DNS. So to use a public DNS is very easy depending on your device. So on your computer, configure your network settings to use Google DNS, which is this one, 888 and 8844 as your DNS server. So I'll show you on how to use the public DNS. So to use it, just on the startup menu here, just search for settings and open the setting app. Select network and setting. I mean network and the internet, so just select network and internet, and then scroll down to look for advanced network settings. So on the advanced network settings, select change adapter option. Now if you're using Ethernet, you'll need to select Ethernet. Since I'm using Wi-Fi, I'll just right click on here and select properties, and then on the properties tab, just select Internet Protocol version 4, which is TCP or IPv4. So just select on it and go to properties. Now here you'll be given an option to use DNS server addresses, which is just select use the following DNS server address. So just select this option for using the following DNS server address. And on the preferred DNS server, just come to here. On the preferred DNS server, you just need to copy this here. So just come here, and on the preferred DNS server, just paste it here, and then come again here and copy this here. So come here and paste it on the alternative DNS server. So after pasting this, click OK to save changes, and then try to restart the Steam app to see if you're still facing the same problem. So if you do so, you've saved changes and you've configured to use the public DNS, but you're still facing the error code 102, unable to connect to the server, then this issue, you can try to maybe use a VPN. So some people have found a success by using a powerful VPN, which I recommend to use NordVPN. So what a NordVPN does is that it helps you to unblock geo restrictions. So if Steam has been blocked on your country, by so far you will be facing this error code, which is 102, unable to connect to the server. So to open this or to unblock this is to use a VPN, and a VPN which I recommend is NordVPN. Since NordVPN has more than 6,000 servers to connect from, so has a lot of servers which you can connect from, and in more than 100 countries. So if you use my link in the description, we'll get 3 months extra for free with a 30-day money back guarantee. So you'll get 3 months extra for free with a 30-day money back guarantee. So NordVPN is the best and has a lot of servers worldwide which you can choose and connect from, and you'll be able to unblock the geo restriction. So try this and let me know in the comment section if this video has helped you. So far, these are the best fixes for Steam error code 102. So if this video has helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.